Because Atlanta traffic, you don't. Well, actually, electric cars are okay with it because you're not lagging, you're not running through, you're not moving, you're not breathing.
And that was tested without back.
22-inch wheels.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, I like it.
This is sweet. I love the American flag.
Yeah, so do I with electrification, yeah.